In this tutorial, learn how to make a yoga mat carrier strap with a custom detachable strap pad. Visit our website to download a free instructional PDF. The link is in the caption. First, to make the shoulder strap pad, print the pattern PDF. Then, cut the pattern out of fabric. To make the flap for the strap pad, take one of the flap pieces and sew the hook tape along the short flap length. Repeat this with a different flap piece by using the loop tape. Place the flaps with the hook and loop tape right sides together with the flaps that have no hook and loop tape attached. Sew a 1/4 inch around the edges, keeping the long side open, and clip the corners. Turn inside out and top stitch. Next, sandwich the foam between the wrong sides of the base fabric pieces to create the base of the pad. Overlap the hook and loop together and clip the flaps to the base of the pad. Sew both flaps to the base. Zigzag the bias tape around and over the raw edges of the base and flaps, backstitch to complete. There's an option to customize the strap with fabric. To do this, cut the fabric into a strip using a ruler and either scissors or a rotary blade. Fold the width of the strip in half, right sides together. Sew along the raw side of the length and then turn inside out. Pull the webbing through the center of the fabric and top stitch around the edges to complete the strap. Once the strap has been created, it's time to add the 2 rings. Fold the end of one of the straps around the straight bar of the D-ring or other ring shape. Sew across the width of the strap 3 times. Pull the other end of the strap through the same ring. Pull the strap through the second ring and loop it loosely around. Pull the strap through the top of the ring and fold it over to meet the strap's original exit point. Sew across the width of the 2 layers of strap 3 times. Lastly, place the yoga mat in between both of the loose strap loops and add the strap pad by opening up the flap and placing the strap inside. The yoga mat strap is now complete. Tag us at fabricland.canada when you share your creations on social media.